here with Grady Works after a 4-3 victory over Mount Marty. What was it like to clinch the first victory of the GPAC play?
It means a lot having my team by me here. We've been talking about this match for a long time. We knew this one was going to be a close one, and just having all of my friends and family here watching just meant a lot.
Yeah, so obviously, like, you guys were down, I think it was 3-1, and then you were the final match that clinched. Did you think about the pressure, or did you just go out there and do what you normally do?
I mean, like, I knew it was coming down to me, obviously, but no, I was just out there playing tennis.
Yeah. Obviously, the guy had a certain style of play. Like, what do you do to try to, like, minimize that, basically?
I think at first I really struggled with it. I was playing his game rather than mine, but then I started stepping in, hitting the ball, and I think things turned around for me.